What if you could start with an idea? An idea that needs calculating, measuring, or sketching. You need the right base from which to develop and adapt. Using your passion to try new things. Testing your knowledge and building on it. Learning every step of the way. Knowing you have the support, facilities and guidance to achieve and be ready for your next step into industry, for your next big idea. Whether it's manufacturing, electrical or mechanical engineering that sparks your imagination, you can start after your GCSEs or A-levels, specialise and go all the way to degree level or an apprenticeship at Gloucestershire College, where big ideas and big dreams become real.